Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change phone number on Snapchat. Now the first thing you do is open up your Snapchat app, and then the next thing you do after opening it up, at the bottom here you tap on the message icon here. It opens up the chat option, then you tap your profile icon at the top right corner, then you tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you can see your mobile number here. So you tap on the mobile number and you put in the new mobile number. Now, mobile number makes it easier for you to recover your account. It also makes it easier for you and your friends to find each other on Snapchat and more. Let's find out what that more is. Now, let's find out why Snapchat asks for a phone number. For account security, your phone number helps with account verification and two-factor authentication, enhancing your account security. It helps you to stay updated. Snapchat may text you with account alerts and updates, pending friend requests, and more. It also helps you to find your friends easily. If you prefer not to be found by your phone number, you can opt out under mobile number in settings. It also helps in ads. Snapchat may use your phone number to help you personalize the ads you see. And also note that your phone number needs to be verified. So Snapchat will send you a one-time verification code via SMS or WhatsApp, and it will also fill the code for easier sign in. Now let's go back. Now that we know why the phone number is very necessary. So next thing, you put in the phone number. Now you have this box here that if you checked means that other people can find you using your phone number. If you leave it unchecked, it means other people should not be able to find you using your phone number. So let's check it, and then we'll put in the new phone number. And once you put in the new phone number, then you get a verification code, and that verification code will be gotten through your SMS or other message channels about your account. That is your SMS or WhatsApp or one of the message channels. And once that is done, you now put in the verification code, and that's it. The number is changed. It's as simple as that. That is how to change phone number on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.